I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get money from Etrade to your bank account. First, log in to your Etrade account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the Transfers or Move Money section, usually found in the main navigation. From there, you will select the option to withdraw funds, indicating that you want to send money to your linked bank account. This is the initial step to begin your transfer. Next, confirm that your desired bank account is already linked. If not, you'll need to add it by providing your bank's routing and account numbers. Double-check all the details to prevent any delays or issues with your transfer. Once your bank account is confirmed, enter the exact amount of money you wish to transfer from your Etrade account. Be sure to consider any minimum or maximum transfer limits. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transfer details on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, the destination bank account, and any associated fees. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the transaction to initiate the withdrawal. Etrade will then process your request. Typically, these transfers take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your bank account, so plan accordingly. Finally, remember to be aware of any daily or per transaction limits that Etrade or your bank might impose. Also, check for any potential fees that could apply to your withdrawal, as these can vary. For example, standard ACH transfers are typically free, but wire transfers may incur a $1.25 fee. It's always good to be informed. And hey, while you're managing your finances, why not make your car smell great? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.